And we hope that all of you have a really great night. We can't wait to talk to you again when we're right here.
Peter.
So many of us talking. That was a good night.
That was just really a good night.
Great night to be filming.
Whoa.
Totally a good night.
Hey, welcome back to Wild Card Journeys. I'm your host, Eric, and on this channel, I hit the road to make videos about the paranormal, the metaphysical, and various urban legends. So if that sounds like your kind of traveling, then please consider subscribing. Now, recently, I took a trip up to Virginia City, Nevada, and I discovered that it's not only a beautiful, historic Old West mining town, but among paranormal investigators, it's considered to be the most haunted city in America. So what could I do? I went on a haunted ghost tour in the most haunted town in the country. And this is what I experienced.
The visitor center here is said to have 3 spirits: Mr. Hanks, an old miner named John, and a little girl named Sally. Now, some believe that Mr. Hanks is a previous owner of the building, and they say it's him you can hear walking around. He also likes to play with electronic things. He'll turn the TVs and the radios on and off. The little girl Sally likes to play under the stairs, and some people believe she also has a ghostly cat with her. Now, inside there are 2 bathrooms. The bathroom on the left has been scaring people for quite some time now. Many people have gone in there and swear that there is either someone standing in the bathroom with them or someone watching them. And to the amusement of the staff, some people have come running out with their pants not all the way up. So I always put out this challenge if you're here during the day to go into the bathroom on the left and see how long you can last in there. We're going to keep heading down this way. Okay, so I'll have you turn it over flat like this. Have you ever used one of these before? Mm-mm. Okay, so I'm going to have you hold it straight up. Alright, so what we're going to do is ask the spirits yes or no questions. So if it moves like this, that's going to be a no. If it moves this way, that's going to be a yes. And if it kind of goes in a circle, that's going to be like an I don't know or I don't want to tell you. If it starts to move a lot in between questions, I'll have you ask it to go back to neutral, which should make it slow down and stop. If you notice we got some wind, this is going to be the interesting thing. If we're getting some really strong answers, you're going to see this pendulum actually fighting against the wind to actually answer the questions we're asking. So the first thing I want you to ask is, let's try for one of the miners. Why don't you ask if there's a miner that would like to come out and communicate with us?
Is there a miner that would like to come out and communicate with us? Looks like a yes to me.
It does. See how it's sort of fighting?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to tell it to go back to neutral.
Go back to neutral.
Very good. Are you sure you haven't done this before?
I haven't done this before, but I've communicated before.
Oh, nice. One miner here. Ask him if he died in the mines.
Did you die in one of the mines?
Oh, now that's a nice yes.
Yes.
Ask you to go back to neutral.
Go back to neutral.
Wow, you're really good.
Okay, that's a little weird.
Yeah. Ask him if he's with other miners.
Are you with other miners tonight?
So interesting when you see it kind of fight against that way the wind's be doing it.
I did notice it didn't move when a strong gust.
Yeah.
It was like, that was interesting.
So that was definitely. Thank you very much for talking with us tonight. We appreciate that, and we will be back again to see you.
Oh, now it's like in a circle.
Thank you very much.
Wow, now the circle is like an I don't know kind of thing.
I'm not understanding.
Maybe they don't want us to leave?
That could be.
Would you like for us to stay here tonight?
Oh, did you see how it just switched?
Okay.
Nice.
All right, it's dark, so you can't see the chills on my arm.
Very cool. Well, we wish that we could stay, but we're going to go walk around and we're going to tell some more stories about this place. And hopefully we'll be able to talk to some more spirits. But thank you for the invitation to hang out. We appreciate it.
Be at peace.
All right. Thank you.
Oh
That was haunted by the spirit of Rosie. Now, Rosie, they say, was a young prostitute who one day found herself alone and pregnant. She solved that problem by ending her life. She's most often seen wandering around the chapel, and perhaps the chapel reminds her of what she was never able to obtain in life. The other place she's most often seen is room 11, but Rosie will roam the entire hotel, and we're going to go upstairs right now and see if she'll come out and say hi to us. So if you'll follow me.
And this is where you're staying?
Yeah.
What room did they give you?
I'm actually in 9.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah. I heard it was either something about room 13. Is that?
Room 13 and 11 are right next to each other.
Okay. Is there any issue with room 13?
Yep, that one's haunted too.
Great.
Well, this is room 11 right here, and as I said, it is considered Rosie's room. Now, couples who stay there sometimes warn about this, because Rosie, in death as in life, still really likes boys. They had a couple stay there one night. The woman was told, she said, "Oh, I don't care. Rosie can do whatever she wants to with my husband. That's fine." Well, she woke up in the middle of the night to find all the covers had been taken off of her. They were nice and neatly tucked in all around her husband. She thought, okay, pull the covers back over, woke up again, same thing, all off of her, nice and neatly tucked in around her husband. So she sat up and she said, "Okay, Rosie, I said you can do whatever you want to with it, but I meant it, but please let me get some sleep, I'm freezing." Rosie was kind enough to oblige and didn't bother them again for the rest of the night. Now, men who stay in that room alone say they have the very distinct feeling that someone gently touches their wrist all night. So some people believe that's how she chose to end her life. Room 11 is not the only haunted room we have here at the Silver Queen. Rooms 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 18, and 19 have all had reported activity. Everything from guests having their cheek caressed, their thighs caressed, and even their toes tickled. But the one thing they've all reported in common is people say when they lay down and go to sleep at night, something sits at the end of the bed with them. Now, the hallways here have also had quite a bit of activity. Many people have reported hearing the sound of children running up and down the hallway. They open the door, there's nobody there. The staircase right here, many people have reported hearing a very heated lover's quarrel. Again, they open the door, there's nobody there. Now, reports of this lover's quarrel have been going on for over 100 years. I'm guessing they're really mad at each other. Okay, so we tried using one of the methods they would have used back in the days of spiritualism. We're going to try something a little bit different now, something a little bit more modern. This is an SB7. What it does is it scans the airwaves and creates basically what's considered white noise. Now, the theory is that the spirits can manipulate that white noise to actually speak with us. So we are going to see if we can get Peter to come out. Every once in a while. There we go. Peter? Peter, if you can hear me, we'd love to have you join us. Can you say hello so we know you're here? Hello, Peter. Now that almost sounded like a woman. There was a nice hello from another.
Hello,
Peter, I hope you're not hanging out with your ex-girlfriend. She's the one that got you in all this trouble. Sounds like you got a lot of friends with you. I'm going to have you try asking something.
Are you at peace?
Yes.
You are? Do you like communicating with us, with the living? We hope all of you are at peace. Is that a peace? Okay, I got some serious stuff. Wow.
Well, Peter and your friends, I want to thank you so much for coming out communicating with us tonight. You guys have been amazing. We hope you're just as talkative the next time we're out here. And we hope that all of you have a really great night. We can't wait to talk to you again when we're right here.
Peter?
So many of us talking.
That
was a good
Oh,
night.
man.
That was totally a good night.
Great night to be filming.
Whoa.
Totally a good night.
Okay, yeah, my friends are gonna blow their mind. Yeah, nobody's gonna believe me.
That was totally a good night.
That was so cool.
But the light in there is green.
That was so cool.
That was very
Excellent.
cool. If this has been an actual investigation, we would have done one of two things. We would have had a voice recorder going at the same time to be able to play back later, see if we'd, make it louder, whatever we could to hear it a little bit better. But for me, the best thing we could have done is we would have had someone sitting in a corner over there with noise-canceling headphones on, hooked up to the SB7. The group would have been over here asking the questions. That person there can't hear us, but they would just be yelling out whatever responses we were getting. That way we would really know we were getting intelligent responses to our exercise. people have been walking through the bar and felt a push, only to turn and find the lady blue glaring at them. Fourth bar stool is very haunted. People who have sat on it have felt a hand on their shoulder, a whisper in their ear, and their stool being kicked. But it happened to me on several occasions. I warn you now if you need to use the bathroom. The women's bathroom is very haunted. Many women have gone in there, had the lights turned on them, and the door locked. They have since removed the lock. Now the door just opens on its own. All the way in the back is the area they call the crypt, and the reason they call it the crypt is because they say at one time it was used as a temporary morgue. That's where we're headed next, if you'll follow me. Okay, and we're going to use you as bait. I'm going to have you go ahead and stand right up on that platform. You definitely want to take lots of pictures in here. So this area is the crypt. This is the area that they say was used as a temporary morgue on occasion. So we're going to see if we can get Lena anywhere in here. Lena, if you can hear my voice, we would love to have you join us in here. Thank you. I appreciate that, Lena. I hope you're having a good night tonight. Any other spirits that can hear my voice, you're also welcome to join us in here. Definitely got someone in here with us tonight. I think Lena, maybe another one. Well, this does conclude our tour for tonight. I want to thank you guys so much for spending your evening with us. We hope you enjoyed yourselves, that you learned a little something about the people who have lived here and never left. And we hope you'll come back and visit us again. Yes. Thank you.
One more time, the name of your ghost tour and where we can find you online.
We are Bats in the Belfry Ghost Tours of Virginia City, Nevada, and you can find us at virginiacityghosttours.com.
Awesome. Thank you for an awesome tour.
Thank you.
And thank you for participating as well.